Hello, my name is Maxie, and I'm going to do the robin makes a laughing sound. The robin makes a laughing sound by Sallie Wolf. The robin makes a laughing sound. It makes me stop and look around to see just what the robin sees. Fresh new leaves on twigs of trees, a strong high branch on which to rest, a safe dry ledge to hold its nest. The robin makes a laughing sound. I stop, I always look around. Bye!